Hey, in this video, I'll show you how to create a network map in Lucidchart. I'll be working in the web version. First, click Create Blank Diagram from the Lucid homepage. You'll see a blank canvas with the Shape menu on the left side. Next, scroll down to the bottom of the Shape menu on the far left and click More Shapes. This opens the Shape Library Manager. You can also hit the M key on your keyboard as a shortcut. In the Shape Library Manager window, scroll through the categories or use the search field to find network. Click the checkbox next to it. You'll see a checkmark appear. Then click Use Selected Shapes at the bottom of the window. The manager closes, and the network shapes will now appear in your Shape menu on the left. Now drag network device shapes from the Shape menu onto the canvas. You'll find routers, switches, servers, computers, firewalls, whatever devices you need for your network. Just grab each one and drop it onto the canvas. Once your devices are on the canvas, click and drag each shape to arrange them in your network topology. You can lay them out hierarchically, top to bottom, or however makes sense for your network. Now connect the devices. Hover over a shape, and you'll see red connection points appear around its border. Click and drag from one of those points to another shape. A line appears connecting the two. That line represents your network connection. Could be a cable, wireless link, whatever you need. The line automatically attaches to the target shape. Double-click on any shape to add a label. The cursor appears inside, and you can type the device name or IP address. You can also label the connection lines. Double-click on a line and type in connection details like bandwidth, protocol, or port numbers. This shows up on or near the line. If you want to customize the look, select a shape or line and use the formatting toolbar at the top. You can change colors, line styles, and thickness. Color coding helps distinguish different network zones or device types. Lucidchart auto-saves as you work. If you're documenting a complex network, consider adding a legend to explain what your symbols and colors mean. This makes it clearer for anyone reviewing your diagram. Thanks for watching.